Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, open calendar and tap on the month above. Now you need to select the date by clicking on the chosen one and then click on this plus icon. Select event and customize it however you wish to. Over here you can, for example, add a title, pick starting and ending hour, or turn off this feature completely if you want to by clicking on the switcher over here. Select people from your contact book, add location. You need to type the desired one and then click on the correct one. Now tap on add notifications and pick one of those options or select custom and create your own. After that you can also take notes and even change color of your event over here. I will go with lavender. Then choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking on it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!